Alright, here's a cabin tour of 6287 on the Carnival Liberty. It is an interior room. You walk in, right to your left is the bathroom. Right, just your normal Carnival stateroom bathroom. We all know what that is. Got your shower gel, your shampoo, cloth curtain. Then you got your shaving makeup mirror. There is a outlet up there for a shaver if you need it. Shelving, sink, me. Then you got tissues, a garbage bin, and some extra toilet paper and tissues if you need it down below. Then you got the actual room. So this is actually a square interior. It's the same square footage as a normal interior, but the layout is a little bit different. As you can see, we got 3 closets. Got 1 hanging closet. We have our carry-ons and backpacks in one. Door number 2 has our life preservers, which hope we never get to use those. More hangers, so it's another hanging closet. My carry-on and some shelving. Door number 3 has shelving, which these you could always change. So you can see the rod there, but these push up. So you can make this another hanging closet if you wanted to. My backpack, extra bedding, and a full-size mirror. Nightstand. There are no USBs by the sides of the lamps, I don't think. Nope. But there's storage down there as well. Light switch in the middle of the bed. This is set up as a king, but could be separated to 2 twins. Another lamp with a nightstand. Got a table. Then you got the TV with the vanity. So we got, should be the mini fridge right here. Ta-da! Got 4 drawers. Safe. And this is the card safe. So you do need a card of some sort to work that. Phone. 1 US charger, 1 US plug, 1 European plug, light switch, phone, your stool to get ready to get pretty for Elegant Night. Well, that is pretty much it. This is 6287 on the Carnival Liberty.